The rise of urban farming, how cities are growing their own food. With more people moving to cities, the idea of farming within city limits is catching on. But what's so appealing about growing food in urban areas? Why did the tomato join the city farm? Because it couldn't beat the crowds in the supermarket. What is urban farming? Urban farming involves growing food in city environments, often in small spaces like rooftops, balconies, and community gardens. Hydroponics and aquaponics. Many urban farms use hydroponics, growing plants in water, or aquaponics, combining fish farming with plant farming, to maximize space. Food security. Urban farming helps improve food security by providing fresh, local produce, reducing dependence on distant agricultural sources. Rooftop gardens. Many cities use rooftop gardens for farming, which helps reduce energy costs and absorb rainwater to mitigate flooding. Vertical farming. This involves stacking layers of crops in a controlled environment, allowing farmers to grow more food in a smaller footprint. Community gardens. Shared garden spaces promote community involvement and provide fresh produce to urban neighborhoods. Reduced transportation emissions. Locally grown food means less transportation, reducing the carbon footprint associated with food distribution. Access to fresh produce. Urban farming can provide low-income communities with access to fresh fruits and vegetables. Improving air quality. Plants absorb carbon dioxide and release oxygen, improving air quality in crowded city areas. Education and engagement. Urban farms often educate city dwellers about sustainable agriculture, creating a stronger connection to food sources. Reducing food waste. Some urban farms use food waste as compost, promoting a sustainable cycle of resources. Environmental benefits. Urban farms can reduce the urban heat island effect, as green spaces cool down city areas. Job creation. Urban farming initiatives provide jobs and training opportunities for city residents. Urban farming is transforming cities by providing fresh food, reducing environmental impact, and engaging communities. As more cities embrace this practice, urban farming could play a significant role in sustainable food systems. Thank you for watching. Like, comment, share and subscribe for more.